Your time is up, Shredder!
I was wrong. I thought after the death of your master that you would flee from the city as you did before.